Om Shri Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Hi my dear students and my dear friends. Today I am going to explain you multiplication by Vedic method. So here I am going to multiply the numbers 27 and 29 which are near to the base 20. So actually previously I have done a video, the same video multiplication, when the base is 50. So here I will call this 20, 30, 40 and so on. I will call them as sub bases. And main base I will take it as 100. And I will apply the Vedic Sutra Anurupena Nikilam method both at the same time. And I will solve and I will multiply these two numbers. So first initially I am taking sub base 20. I took two numbers which are near to 20. And main base I am taking as 100. So how to solve or how to multiply these two numbers? The first, as usual, 27 is 7 more than 100. 29 is 9 more than, 27 is 7 more than 20. 29 is 9 more than 20. Now, first, second. Since the main base is 100, here you will get two digits. Units, tens. And 100 digits you will get over here. 100 and 1000 digits you will get over here. So that is very, very important point you have to keep in mind. Here you will get units and tens. And the second part of the answer you will get hundreds and thousands. Because I am taking main base as 100. Now, first multiply the deviations. Because both the numbers are above 20, deviations are positive. So multiply the deviations. 7 9s are 63. Now, add crossly like this. So 27 plus 9, 36. Or 29 plus 7 is also 36. You can add any cross. You can add any cross. Either this cross or this cross. That is your wish. Now, multiply this second part of the answer with 20 by 100. Anurupyena. Take the ratio. Ratio of sub base and main base. 20 by 100, you will get 2 by 10. The ratio. Actually, it is 1 by 5. But multiply with 2 and divided by 10, it is easy. That's why I am taking 2 by 10 instead of 1 by 5. So 36 into 2, 72 by 10, 7.2. And here 63. Now, here. So to avoid this 0.2, we need to send this 0.2 to that first part of the answer. So 0.2 will carry to first part of the answer and it becomes 20. So 20 plus 63 becomes 83. So answer is 783. Once again I am telling you 7.2. How we got the 7.2? 2 into 36. 72. 72 by 10 which is 7.2. So in 7.2 we need to carry this 0.2 to first part of the answer but 0.2 is in hundreds place. When we move a number from hundreds place to tens place, it becomes into 100. So 0.2 into 100, 20. 20 already 63 is there. 20 plus 63, 83. So 783 is the answer. 27 into 29 is 783. Let us consider one more example. I am taking now base 30. So 35 into 32. Let it be like that. Both the numbers are above base. 35 is 5 more than the base. 32 is 2 more than the base. Sub bases. I am taking sub base 30 now. Now, multiply the deviations. 10, 37 into Anurupyena. The ratio of sub base and base 30 by 100 is 3 by 10. 30 by 100, 3 by 10. Now, 37 into 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 11 by 10. So, which is 11.1. 11.1. Now we need to carry the 0.1 to that side, first part of the answer. Then it becomes 10. So answer is 11, 20. 35 into 32 is 11, 20. So orally also, you can do this one with the practice. You can solve these problems orally also. But it will, you have to pay some attention, as well as you have to do practice. Let us consider one more example, 38 into 43. If you observe these two numbers, both are near to the subbase 40. But this number is below the base and this number is above the base. So first, I will write like this. 38, since it is 2 less than the base, I will write minus 2. And 43 is 3 more than the base, I will write plus 3. So, here I got one is negative deviation, the other one is positive deviation. First, I will multiply the deviations. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6 actually, I will write it as bar 6. But here, we have to write units place and tens place both. Since there is no tens place, I will keep 0 here. Now, add this cross, or you can 43 minus 2 also you can do it. Both the ways you will get the same answer. So 38 plus 3, 41. Then with this 41 we need to multiply with the ratio of sub base and main base. 40 by 100, which is 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 into 41, that is 164 by 10, 16.4. And bar 0, 6. Now, if you observe here we are having a negative number. In order to take out this negative number, we need to carry this 0.4 to the first part of the answer. So here we will remain with 16. When we carry this 0.4 to the first part of the answer, it becomes 40. So 40 minus 0.6, not 6, 40 minus 6, it is 34. So the answer is 1634. Once again I am telling you, 41, it should be multiplied with the ratio of sub base and main base. 40 by 100, 4 by 10. So 4 into 41, 164 by 10, 16.4 and 0.6 bar. 0.6 bar, not 0.6, 0.6 bar. Now, in order to take out this negative, we need to carry this 0.4 to the first part of the answer, then it becomes 40. When we carry this 0.4 to the first part of the answer, it becomes 40. 40 minus 6, 34. And 16 remaining over here. So the total answer is 1634. 38 into 43, 1634. Okay. So my dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Dhanyavad.